Evaluate integral of 2, 3, negative 1, 4, 1, 0, 4x squared y minus z cubed. dz dy dx. Pansinin mo, may minus sign dyan. So, hindi natin pwedeng gamitin yung pag-iwalay mo tapos times kasi may minus na sign tayo o may symbol tayo na operation tayong minus doon. So, anong mangyayari? Isa-isahin mong i-integrate kung una kay dz, dy at dx. Isasama mo to sa lahat. Okay? So, solve mo muna sa dz. Mangyayari, integral of 1, 0, 4x squared y minus z cubed dz. Okay? Yan yung mangyayari ngayon. Diyan. Okay? So, anong gagawin natin dyan? Sa calculator nyo, ang gagawin nyo na lang, hindi mo yan makakalculator kaagad. Kasi nga, may constant yan. Tama? So, anong gagawin natin para hindi siya mawala? Kasi pag kinalculator mo yan, magiging constant na yung sagot. Tama? Pero may variable ka dyan. So, ang mangyayari, paano mag-integrate? So, integrate natin to. In terms of z, so ito, assume mo na constant ito. Okay? Pero hindi natin pwedeng calculator kasi pag in-assume mong constant rin yan sa calculator, pagsasamahin niyo yung sagot mo. So, mali yung makukuha. So, dito, assume mong constant lang yan. So, ano ba ang integral ng constant? Diba, z? Okay, so magiging z na lang dyan. Kakalagay ka lang ng z dyan, kopyahin mo yung 4x squared y. Kasi nga, assume natin na constant to. Assume mo na constant. Assume na constant. Okay? Ano bang integral ng constant? Diba yung z lang din. Minus z cubed. Anong integral niya? 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1. Okay? Then ang limits from 1 to 0. 3 plus 1. Then ang limits is from 1 to 0. Okay? So, simplify. 4x squared yz minus z to the 4 over 4. Limits from 1 to 0. So, ito yung nasa dulo. Ay, yung isa. 0. Kasi magta-times 0 ka lang doon. Minus, times 1 mo lang. Anong mangyayari matitira? 4x squared. Gawin mo lang 1 si z. Y minus 1 4. Ano yung magiging sagot natin? That is 1/4 minus 4x squared y. Okay. So, tapos na tayo kay dz. Integrate naman natin si dy. Pero hindi na yun yung gagamitin natin. Ano na yung gagamitin natin? Ito na. Ito na yung gagamitin natin para mag-integrate. In terms of dy. So, negative 1/4 minus 4x squared y dy. Okay? Ngayon dito, ang gagawin mo namang constant is itong 4x squared na lang. Okay? So, magiging constant lang yan. So, pag in-integrate natin yan, anong kalalabasan? Integral of negative 1/4. 1/4. Ano integral ng constant? Is, magiging ka lang ng y. Y over 4 minus 4x squared. Ito lang ang integrate mo yung y. So, magiging y. 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1. So, this will become, limits natin, from negative 1 to 4. And this will become y4 minus 2x squared y squared at limit na negative 1, 4. Saan nakuha yung 2? That is 4 divided by 2. O, malilito doon. So, input na natin yung negative 1 at saka 4. So, 4 over 4 minus 2x squared times 4 squared minus 1 negative 1, 4 minus 2 times x squared, negative 1 squared. Simplify. 1 plus 1/4, this will become 5/4. Para sure, 4/4. Pagsamay mo lang yung magkatulad. Minus 1/4. Negative 1/4 is 5/4. Okay, parehas rin. Yung x naman, may x squared. 2 times 4 squared minus negative 2 times negative 1 squared. And that is 34x squared. Okay. Then lastly, pwede mo nang integrate sa x. Integral of, ano yung limits natin for x? 3 at saka 2, 3. So, 2, 3. Ito naman na yung gagamitin natin ha. Hindi na yun. 2, 3. 5, 4 minus 34x squared. Ito, pwede mo nang i-calculator to. Kasi wala naman ng kasunod. So, integral of 5, 4 minus 34x squared from 2 to 3 equals, that is negative 256.12 over 12 or negative 214. Ayan ba sa choices? Wala. 256.214. Wala sa choices. So, saan tayo nagkamali? Ayun. Doon tayo nagkamali. Ulitin natin. Hindi dapat 34 yun. 2 times 4 squared. Negative pala yan. Negative 2 times 4 squared minus negative 2 times negative 1 squared. Hindi natin nilagay yung kanina. So, negative 30 lang yun. So, doon tayo nagkamali. Dapat negative 30 lang siya. 30. So, integrate ulit. Palitan lang natin to. 30. And that is negative 755 over 4. That will be your final answer. That is letter B. Ano yan? Okay. Screenshot, part 1. Then, part 2. Okay, number 20. Determine the volume of the solid obtained by rotating the region bounded by y is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 5, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 4, and the x-axis about the y-axis. So, plot natin si x squared minus 4x plus 5. So, i-plot natin yan using mode 7. Ito, gamit ka ng mode 7. Mode 7, x squared minus 4x plus 5 plus 5. Start ka ulit kay negative 5, end ka kay 5. Step 1. So, matataas, piliin mo na yung pinakamababa. So, 0, 5. Assume natin na nandito yan. 1, 2. So, assume natin na nandito yan. 1, 2. Then, 2, 1. Assume natin na nandito. Then, 3, 2. Bumalik siya. Then, 4, 5. So, bumalik lang din. Yan. So, pag i-redraw natin yan, parang pa ganun siya. So, parabola. Yung itsura niya. Okay, then ilagay natin x1. So, this is y is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 5. Okay, then kunin natin si x is equal to 1. So, dito siya. Then, x is equal to 4. Dito siya. X is equal to 4. Tapos, x is equal to. So, ano yung area na i-rotate natin dyan? Itong area. Okay? Yung area, ayan. Saan natin i-rotate? About the x-axis. So, dito yung rotation natin. So, anong strip yung pwede natin gamitin? Pwede tayong gumamit ng dx. Kasi yung didikit doon sa rotating axis natin. So, this is dx. So, kunin natin yung limits. Andyan na. Binigay na in terms of x. That is 1 to 4. Yun na yung limits natin. Gawa na lang tayo ng equation. This method na yung gagamitin natin kasi nakadikit yung strip natin doon sa rotating axis. So, pi integral of 1 to 4. Then, y upper minus y lower dx. So, volume now is equal to pi 1 to 4. Y upper mo, lagay mo na yung x squared minus 4x plus 5. Yung y lower mo is 0. Yung squared, huwag kakalimutan. Squared dx. Calculator. Pi integral of x squared minus 4x plus 5 squared from 1 to 4. That is 78 pi over 5. Okay, 78 pi over 5. Tama yung process natin, tama yung pagkakasolve. So, piliin natin si letter C. Troubleshoot siguro yung choices. Dapat 78 pi over 5. Yeah. Troubleshoot. Should be 5, hindi 4. Okay, so that will be your final answer. Hanggang 25. Sagutin natin. Then, pakita ko na lang solutions ng iba. Okay, 21. A circle with radius 7 at center 8, 0. Find the volume generated by revolving the circle about the y-axis. So, example, andito yung 8. Ayan yung 8, 0 na tinutukoy. So, may circle ka dyan. Ang radius is 7. Assume mo na yan. Okay. Assume natin na yan yung circle. Actions. Okay, so example yung circle natin. Palitin natin. Yan. Okay. Yan. So, ang radius ng circle mo is 7. Radius is 7. I-revolve mo daw yan at the y-axis. So, ito yung revolution. So, walang binigyan na equation. So, pwede kang gumamit ng second proposition ni Papus na 2 pi AD. Okay, so volume now is equal to, ano yung volume natin? 2 pi, area ng circle mo, that is pi times 7 squared, yung radius. Tama? Ito yung area. Ano yung centroid natin? Yung centroid mula doon hanggang doon. So, ilan yan? That should be 8. Okay? So, simplify. 2 pi times pi times 7 squared times 8. That is equal to 7737.77. 7.77. So that will be your final answer. Pinakamalapit sa letter C. Okay, number 22. Evaluate the integral dx, x plus 2. So, diretsong calculator. 1 over x plus 2 from negative 6 to negative 10. That is 0.6931. So, alin yan sa choices? So, isa-isahin mo, ln 2. Ayun, so ln 2 yung sagot. That will be your final answer. Okay, 23. Find the area bounded by the curve defined by the equation x squared is equal to 8y and its latus rectum. So, curve, parabola ulit. So, this is a parabola. Tama? Open, upward. Assume mo na lang yung graph mo. So, yan yung parabola. X squared is equal to 8y. Ano yung latus rectum niya dyan? So, kunin mo. Ano ba yung latus rectum natin? Diba? Yung latus rectum, matatagpuan mo siya sa focal point mo. Yan. So, yung focal point mo, distance niya from the vertex ay A. And saan natin kukunin yung A dyan? Doon kay A. Tama? Kasi yan yung latus rectum natin ay A. Pero ano ba formula ng latus rectum? 4A is equal to 8. So, ilan yung A natin? A now is equal to 2. At yung A is equal to 2 na yan, ito siya ngayon. Okay? Ito siya ngayon. Tignan natin kulay. Yan. That is Y is equal to 2. Yan yung A natin. Okay? Yan na yung latus rectum natin. Latus rectum. Kasi yung latus rectum na measurement, ito yun. Yung distance niya mula dito hanggang doon. Yun yung latus rectum. Pero yung position ng latus rectum mo, nasa y is equal to 2. So, ano yung area bounded? So, ito. Yan yung hinahanap. So, pwedeng kalahati yan, times 2 na lang natin. So, kunin lang natin yung kalahati. Anong strip yung pwede? Ang gamit ka na lang ng y. dy na strip. Yan. dy na strip. Okay, so ang limits mo, nandiyan na, binigay na, solve na natin. In terms of y, from 0, okay, equation. Area is equal to 2 from 0 to 2, x right minus x left, dy. Area now is 2, 0 to 2. Ano yung x right natin? That is square root of 8y minus z dy. Okay, so makukuha natin yung sagot. 2 integral of square root of 8x from 0 to 2 equals. Matagal ulit yan kasi y square root. Yan, 10.67. So, hanapin mo na lang sa choices. That should be 32 divided by 3. Okay, so that will be your final answer. Okay, number 24. Evaluate the integral 3x squared plus 9y squared dx dy. If the interior has an upper limit of y and a lower limit of 0, whose outer limit has limit of 2 and lower limit of 0. So, dx dy, mauna natin i-ano si x. So, ang x mo 0 to y, then ang y mo 0 to. So, this is 3x squared plus 9y squared dx dy. So, hindi na naman ulit natin yan pwedeng pag-times n kasi nga may operation ng plus. Ang gagawin, paghiwalayin. Unahin muna natin integrate si dx. Integral of 0 to y. 3x squared plus 9y squared dx. So, ito, assume ulit na constant. Assume mo na constant lang yan. Para pag-integrate natin yan, magiging 3x 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 plus 9y squared. Maglagay ka lang ng x. Okay? 0 to 1. Simplify. This should be x cubed plus 9y squared x from 0 to 1. Then, ano natin yung limits? That should be y cubed plus 9y squared times 1. Minus 0 na lang din yung nasa baba. So, this is simply 10y cubed. Okay, then punta tayo kay dy na. So, ito na yung gagamitin mo. In terms of dy, from 0 to 2, 10y cubed dy. So, pwede mo nang i-calculator yan. 10x cubed from 0 to 2. And that is 40. And that will be your final answer. Okay, number 25. Given the area in the first quadrant bounded by x squared is equal to 8y. So, another parabola. Open. Upward. The line x is equal to 4. And the x-axis, what is the volume generated by revolving this area about the y-axis? So, ito yung parabola natin. Okay. Okay, yan yung x squared is equal to 8y. Tapos, assume natin, maliit. Ito yung x is equal to 4. Tapos, ito yung x-axis. So, ano yung area na nasa first quadrant? Sabi niya dyan. Nasa first quadrant. So, anong area lang yun? Ito. Na nabound ng tatlo. Yan yung i-revolve natin at y-axis. So, ito yung revolution. Dito natin okay? So, revolving dyan, anong strip yung pwede natin gamitin? Okay, gagamit tayo ng dy. Pahiga. Kahit hindi nag-touch, yung strip mo at least, pag diniretso mo yan, magta-touch siya. Tama? Pero hanggang dyan, hindi siya nag-touch. Pero ganyan pa rin yung gagamitin natin kasi pag diniretso mo, magta-touch siya. Nga lang, hindi siya nag-diretso. Kaya hindi ka ngayon pwedeng gumamit ng disk method dyan. Okay, so mamaya, kunin muna natin yung limits. In terms of y yan, so dapat, substitute mo lang si x is equal to 4. Dot. So, 4 squared is equal to 8y. Ang y natin now is equal to ilan? That is 2. So, from 0 to 2, yung limits natin. Okay, dito ngayon sa equation, hindi tayo pwedeng gumamit ng disk method. Bakit? Kasi yung disk method, gagamitin mo lang yun pag nakadikit siya mismo doon sa revolving axis. Pag ganyan na hindi siya nakadikit, yan papasok yung tinatawag natin washer method. Okay? Ang formula natin for washer method, halos parehas lang sa disk, may pinagkaiba lang. Formula natin, pi, imbis na x right minus x left squared, ang mangyayari, x right squared minus x left squared dy. Okay? Yan yung mangyayari ngayon. Ganun rin, pag dx naman, y upper squared minus y lower squared. Okay, so simplify na natin. Ano yung x right natin dyan? Itong portion na yan. Yan yung x right. Ang x left natin, itong portion na yan. The volume now is pi integral of 0 to 2 na limits. X right natin, that is 4 squared. Minus x left natin, that should be x squared is equal to 8y. Kunin mo lang si x. Square root of 8y. So, square root of 8y squared dy. So, v now is equal to pi integral of 4 squared minus square root of 8x squared over limit 0. Final answer, yung parenthesis equals, final answer will be 16 pi, or that is 50.26. So that will be your final answer. Letter A. Okay, sige. Yung last, yung 25 items na natira, screenshot nyo na lang yung solutions. Number 26. 27. 28. 29. 30. 31. 32. 33. 34. 35. 36. 37. 38. 39. 40. 41. 42. 43. 44. 45. 46. 47. 48. 49. 50. Okay, so kung may tanong kayo dito sa quiz nyo, just message me or kahit sinong instructor. So, thank you for listening, James.